How much does insurance cost for a small business? Oh my God, man, you gotta get this right. If you don't, this can be one of those things that bites you in the butt. But don't worry, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to go through and figure out exactly what you need. And stay tuned to the very end. I'm gonna give you 3 specific tips on what exactly you need to do to make it easy. As entrepreneurs and business owners, we know that if we have a clear plan, anything becomes possible. And if you can have a clear plan, a clear process to create that plan, and a way to create clarity with your partner or spouse, you can drive to amazing heights. All right, so I've helped businesses for 30 years. Started my first business at 19. I built them, bought them, sold them, wrecked a couple. Had over 16 of them. And insurance is one of those things that, candidly, is a necessary evil. Sometimes it's a pain in the ass. I hate to say that, but it's the truth. But the reality is, insurance really isn't that important until you need it. So making sure you do your insurance things right is absolutely critical. So it's going to be different for each organization, for whatever business you're in, but making sure that you find somebody who can help advise you is critical. So in my book, The Aspiring Solopreneur, we have courses on this. We actually go through and we help you figure out how to find a great team of advisors for no money. It's not going to cost you anything to do this well. So a great team of advisors traditionally starts with a small business focused accountant, a small business focused attorney, a small business focused banker, a small business focused insurance agent. Insurance agent can be so helpful, but they gotta be somebody who really knows and loves small business. And here's the thing, I think in some cases these guys, almost a little bit of a freak in nature because they love insurance so much, but it's cool for them. And I hope that you're finding for your business, what is it that you're gonna love that much? Because when you find somebody who's a great insurance agent, they're gonna be able to walk you through the pitfalls. What are the ups, the downs? What are the potential challenges you need to be aware of? So some high-level types of insurance you may need. If you're doing, let's say you're doing consulting of some form, you may need to have something that's called E&O insurance, errors and omissions insurance. If you are driving in a vehicle, you may need to have specific insurance for your vehicle. You may need to get unemployment insurance. If you're self-employed, sometimes that's an option, sometimes it isn't. There is a litany, it's a big word. There is a boatload of different types of insurances that you can get out there. But it's really going to come down to what you need. Now, if you have something that you're involved in a contract, you can take the contract to your attorney. It doesn't usually hurt to make sure you're getting another set of eyes on it. But I also encourage you to take those contracts to your insurance agent. Now, people are like, well, dude, why would I worry about that? Well, the thing why it's important is if you're doing construction, as an example, there may be certain things and clauses within the contract that say you need to have certain types of bonds, which is a form of insurance. You may need to have different types of levels of insurance. You may need to co-insure the other people you're with. So the insurance changes for each. Now, for some people, insurance is almost nothing. It would be 15, 20 bucks a day. For others, it could be literally thousands. It's going to depend on who you are. So here's the thing, the 3 things that you have to look for when you're thinking about insurance. And it's pretty simple, but I start from a high level and say, all right, what are the ones that I absolutely, positively, absolutely unequivocally, legally have to have? What are the ones that say it's in the contract, or there's a law that says it, or just to be compliant, I have to have those. So we have the insurance that we have to have. And ask your insurance agent, what do I absolutely, positively have to have? Because there'll be things you don't even know of. Like, I don't know, but it'll help you with that. There's the second one then, and ask your insurance agent this, which one should I have? Maybe it's not required by law, but man, kind of be an idiot not to have that. One of those can be business continuity. Business continuity insurance says if you're the primary breadwinner and you get hurt, or you for some reason are incapacitated and you can't work, well, you're not making any money. You get business continuity insurance, sometimes that can help you with that. So first one is, what do you must have? What do you absolutely, positively, unequivocally need to have? Second one, which one should I have? I don't want to be an idiot about this. And then the third is, which ones would be like, it'd be really nice to have that. Find out how much those are. Because sometimes they're not that expensive and it's great to have those extra pieces. But if you're in essence wondering, dude, how much is it going to cost me for insurance for my small business? It depends. It's all over the board. But the beautiful thing is you've got great people out there who are willing to help you. And they want to help you. That's their job. You're part of their biz dev. So when you can do that, you're off to the races. So hey, ideally you found some value in this, hopefully. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to us at aspiringsolopreneur.com. Check out the other videos, the litany, I'll use that word again, boatload of videos we have on the channel. And if you're interested, we have courses, all sorts of things, because it's never ever been easier to start your own business. Keep smiling.